Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot sequences for automated outreach workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin installing HubSpot sequences for automated outreach workflows, first, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales dashboard on the top menu. From the Sales dashboard, find and click on the Sequences option located in the left sidebar. Once you're in the Sequences section, click on the Create Sequence button to start a new sequence. A new window will appear, prompting you to name your sequence. Choose an appropriate name that reflects the purpose of your outreach. Now, you need to add the first email in your sequence. Click on the Email option to compose your first outreach email. Write a compelling subject line that captures the recipient's attention. In the body of the email, ensure your message is clear and concise, focusing on how you can provide value. After finishing the email, you can personalize it by inserting merge tags. This allows you to tailor your message to each recipient dynamically. Next, click on the Save Email button to secure your first email. To add follow-up tasks, select the Add Task option. You can choose to include reminders for calls, emails, or notes as needed. Once you have outlined the tasks, click on Save Task to include it in your sequence. Continue this process by adding additional emails and tasks for your sequence. Consider the frequency and timing when scheduling your emails and tasks. Make sure your follow-ups are spaced out appropriately to avoid overwhelming your prospects. After adding all components, review your sequence for clarity and effectiveness. Once satisfied, click on the Review and Save button at the top right corner. In the Review section, confirm that everything looks correct. You can also set your sequence to enroll contacts automatically. To enable this feature, check the box for automatic enrollment before finalizing. Click on Save and Exit to finish creating your sequence. Now, your HubSpot sequence is ready for use. To enroll contacts into your sequence, go back to the Contacts dashboard. Select the contacts you wish to enroll in the sequence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.